Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see with the polynomial standard 10th exercise 2.2 in easy way. Welcome to my channel Vinayaga Maths Class 10. So all the previous sums I have uploaded in my channel. Once you subscribe my channel you can see all the content without missing it. Let's move on to the exercise sums. Exercise 2.2, find zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Verify relationship between zeros and the coefficients. First we are going to find the zeros, and then with the help of the zeros we are going to find the sum of its zeros and then the product of its zeros. After applying in the formulas we are going to check whether we are getting the coefficients of the equation is equal to the zeros of the polynomial of its sums and its product. So first we will be factorizing this. So we have to change the step to this minus 7 should come in the middle. According to the descending order of the powers of the variable we are going to arrange it. X square, x to the, if there is no number it is assumed as 1. Degree 1, then the constant term. When we multiply these two numbers we should be getting it as 18, and then when we add the two numbers we should be getting it as minus 7. So what all the two number combination we can take? We can take it as minus 2 and then 8. When we multiply minus 9 into 2 we are getting it as 18. When we add minus 9 with plus 2, whether we are getting it as minus 7, yes. So the number we have factorized and then we have taken the numbers as minus 9 and 2. From the given two numbers we are going to take 3x common outside. So after taking 3x and then from these two numbers we are going to take just only one outside. 3x, it is multiplied with 2x, we will be getting it as 6x square. And then after taking 3x common outside, minus 3 will be remaining. So when we take plus 1, 2x minus 3, the same number we will be getting here. So what all the two combinations we are getting? 3x plus 1 and then 2x minus 3, we are going to equate each term to zeros. When 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x plus 1 will change on to this side, it is minus 1. X equal to, it is in multiplication, when it moves on to here it is minus 1 by 3. 1 0 we have got, and then we are going to equate, what is the next term? We are going to equate 2x minus 3. So when we equate 2x minus 3 equal to 0, it is 2x equal to 3, minus 3 change on to the other side, it is plus 3. It is in multiplication here, it is moves on to the division, it is 3 by 2. So what all the two zeros we have got here? Minus 1 by 3 and then 3 by 2. So after adding the two zeros, what we will be getting? Sum of the zeros. Minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. The LCM will be 6 here. So 6 means it is multiplied with 2 both numerator and denominator. And then this side it is multiplied with 3 both numerator and denominator. What will be the numerator now? Which is equal to minus 2, and then 3 into 3 which is equal to 9. So plus 9 minus 2 which is equal to 7 by 6. We are going to substitute in the formula and then we are going to check whether the given equation we are getting the sum of the zeros as 7 by 6. So what is the formula here? Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 divided by coefficient of x square is 6. Only in this equation we are going to consider and check whether we are getting it as 7 by 6. Minus into minus is plus. Whether we have got 7 by 6, yes, we have verified with the zeros as well as with the coefficients in the given equation. Now one more thing is remaining, product of its zeros. So what will be the product of its zeros? First we are going to multiply minus 1 by 3 with 3 by 2. We are getting the numerator as minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Denominator 3 into 2, it is 6. So what will be the formula of its product of its 0? It's constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. So what is the product of its zeros formula? Constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. Constant term is minus 3. Coefficient of x square is 6. We are going to substitute in the formula and check. Minus 3 divided by coefficient of x square is 6. Whether we are getting both the terms same. So we have verified that sum of its zeros and then the product of its zeros, after substituting in the formula, we are getting both the numbers, both the sums as well as products are equal. So it got verified. I hope the sum is very clear for you all. So all the important sums along with the formulas, explanation with diagram, real numbers, trigonometric ratios, values with diagram explanation I have done. It will be very useful for you all. So in the description box, I will be giving the link of the how to find the sum of its zeros and then product of its zeros of the quadratic polynomial. How we got this? Minus coefficient of x divided by x square and constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Only once you subscribe my channel, you can go on to the link and see it. It will be very useful for you all. Please share it with your friends. So once you click this, then we move on to the next subdivision. 4u square plus 8u. Here we are going to take, so which term is common outside? Here 4u is common outside. So after taking, the terms remaining are u and then u plus 2. Now we are going to equate each terms to zeros. So when you equate 4u equal to 0, we are getting u equal to 0. It is in multiplication here, divided by 4, we are getting it as 0. And then u plus 2 equal to 0, u equal to minus 2. So what are the two zeros we have got now? 0, comma, minus 2. Now we are going to add the sums. Sum of its zeros. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. What is the formula? We are going to substitute in the formula. Minus coefficient of x divided by x square. Only from this equation we are going to verify it. Minus coefficient of x. Here the variable is u. So coefficient of u we are going to take. It is minus 8 divided by coefficient of x square is 4. Whether we are getting both terms, sum of its zeros, and then after substituting in the formula, both are equal to minus 2. So sum of its zeros is got verified. Now we are going to move on to product of its zeros. 0 into minus 2 only with the zeros, it is 0. We are going to substitute in the formula and check what is the product of its 0. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So constant term here, there is no constant term, so we are going to take it as 0. 0 divided by the coefficient of x square is 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0. So both the terms got verified with the equation as well as with the zeros of the polynomial. For sum of its zeros and product of its zeros, it got verified. I hope this sum is very clear for you all. So the remaining sums also I will be uploading, giving the link in the description box. Once you subscribe, you can go and see the link. Once you click this, if you click this Vinayagar icon, you can easily subscribe my channel. I uploaded the playlist. You can go and see the content. Click on the notification symbol. Once you click on the notification symbol, after I upload in the YouTube, you can immediately see the content. It will be very useful for you all. Thank you all.